and welcome to 13318 Wenwood Drive in Fenton, Michigan, on the beautiful Lake Fenton. Come on in, I'd love to give you the personal tour.
Welcome to the kitchen, complete with a whole fleet of Maytag stainless appliances, a granite kitchen island, and backsplash. This is a perfect place to cook those holiday feasts. Looking for the right spot to watch the big game with friends and family? This open plan is perfect for such a thing. With a granite wet bar, natural fireplace, this is the perfect spot to make a cocktail. Here in the heated sunroom with multiple views of Lake Fenton, this is a great spot to watch the seasons change. We're now in the second kitchen, located in the professionally finished lower level. Also in this lower level is your own separate entry, 2 bedrooms and a full bath.
You love being on the water? This is the perfect place. You walk right outside your front door and you're here. One of the additional perks of being on Wenwood Drive is that you don't have to take your dock in and out during the winter months. Lake Fenton truly does exemplify real living.